Welcome to the extraordinary life story of Henry Ford. I believe everyone knows the brand in automobile, that is Ford Company, right? So today in this video, we will take you on a journey through the life of this visionary innovator from his humble beginning to revolutionizing the automotive industry. So, what are you waiting for? Like, share, and subscribe our channel, and let's discover the man behind the iconic model T and his enduring impact on the world. Let us delve into the remarkable journey of Henry Ford. So, I request you to watch this video till the end as we are going to explore the life story of Henry Ford. So Henry Ford was born in 1863 on the farm of Michigan. He grew up in surroundings of machines and a fascination for mechanics. His innate curiosity and entrepreneurial spirit led him to tinker with various machines and engines, setting the foundation for his future innovation. So later, in 1903, Henry Ford finally founded the Ford Motor Company with a dream to make the automobile affordable and accessible to the masses. His introduction of the assembly line production technique revolutionized the manufacturing process, making cars more affordable and transforming the automotive industry forever. Henry Ford was a visionary thinker. He envisioned a world where cars were not just a luxury for the wealthy people, but a practical mode of transportation for all the masses. His determination to achieve this vision drove him to streamline production and introduce innovative business practices. Henry Ford's impact on society extended beyond the automotive industry. The creation of Model T transformed transportation, facilitated urbanization, and the most important is changed the way people lived and worked. His legacy of innovation and entrepreneurship continues to inspire generations of innovators and entrepreneurs. So, Model T was the greatest innovation of its time, and it had given the revolutionizing effect and the impact for the automobile industry. Towards conclusion, Henry Ford's life story is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and innovation. From his humble beginnings to revolutionizing the automotive industry, his enduring impact on society is a true testament to the potential of a single individual to change the world. So I believe from this inspiring story of Henry Ford's life and the Model T have given you a valuable insight. And coming towards the end, thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Henry Ford, the visionary innovator. If you found this video inspiring, please like this video, share it with others who may appreciate his remarkable achievements, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it, as we are going to provide such valuable insights in our further videos. Let us continue to draw inspiration from the life of Henry Ford and strive to create a better world through innovation and determination. Until next time, Let's embrace the spirit of entrepreneurship and drive positive change in our own unique ways. Thank you.